Okay, I'm going to do a quick video of operation of the VPI 17 record cleaning machine. Maybe a little bit wonky. I'm going to try to do this single-handed. So, put the record on the vinyl platter. Excuse me, on the platter. There's a cork mat on there. Need to make sure this is nice and tight. Okay. Now, I'm going to start the table spinning. And I'm going to do reverse rotation first, so that's down. And I'm going to bring the brush into place, and you'll notice that the brush will snap down to apply a slight pressure. There you go. Now, give it one shot of cleaner. And watch as that thing gets into all of the grooves. Look at the coverage that's getting on the album. Very deep cleaning with the bristles. You can see the bristles, there we go, on the brush. Alright, now I'm going to switch directions on the motor, going the other direction. Do this 2 or 3 revolutions as well. Okay. I'm going to turn the motor off. I'm going to raise the cleaning brush up and out of the way. Make sure this clamp is nice and tight. Now I'll bring the vacuum tube over, and when the vacuum comes on, you'll see that will suck down to the disc, and then when the vacuum goes off, there's a spring here that will make it rise off the disc. So we're going to turn the table on, and we're going to turn the vacuum on. Off the disc when it's done. We can move that out of the way. We can turn off the table, and that album is clean. Very happy with the operation of this machine.